Hello everyone, and welcome to our weekly how-to video. My name is Lori McNorton, Floral Design Coordinator for Florist Review and Super Floral, and today I want to share with you an arrangement that I'm going to call a walk in nature. And we're getting into late summer, and acorns are falling and pine cones, so I thought this would be a perfect time to include some of those into an arrangement. So let's get started. First, I've selected my container. This is a rectangular plastic container from Smithers Oasis, and I've put preservative water in the floral foam, so that's ready. But I want to secure the foam to the container just a little bit because this is going to be a taller arrangement, so I want to make sure that it stays in the container. So I'm just going to take some waterproof tape. I'm just going to do 2 across here, and that's just going to help hold that foam in place. So like I said, I kind of want to bring that nature into the arrangement. So I found this at a hobby store, and I thought it was kind of cool with the birch. So all I'm going to do is jab this into my arrangement. I just kind of want it going through the arrangement. And then I think once I add my flowers and everything else, it's going to stay in place. So got that. I've got some natural wire here, wrapped wire. And I thought this would give a little bit of a texture. And this is really more about texture than anything. So I'm just made a few loops. And I'm just going to wrap this around. And also, this will help my bark stay in place. There we go. Then I'm going to start adding some of the flowers, some of the fresh flowers. So I'm going to take some green trick. This is going to kind of, again, hold that bark in place. Kind of have like a ground cover effect. And because I want to hide that tape, I'm going to come over the edge a little bit. Hiding mechanics, very important thing. So I'm going to kind of do the same in the back. All right. Then, like I said, we're going to kind of give this some height. So Bells of Ireland, definitely. These. And the thing I want to do is once this arrangement is complete, I want to be able to see the arrangement, but I want to be able to look down inside and see some cool nature going on. I have this really cool kale here. It's really fluffy. The ruffles on it definitely give it the texture that I'm looking for. Add a little one back here. I've got some beautiful snapdragons. So I'm just kind of working these in. Amongst the bark, amongst the twine. Oh, snapdragons. What am I looking for here? I love the way these snapdragons kind of curl. Whoosh. And we'll get one over here as well. Got some delphinium. Do a little grouping of that in front. And then also add some to the back here. Then let's see, some feverfew. Oops, broke that one. Let's recut. This is definitely going to give it that natural look and give it some airy, some space here. Love this little daisy feverfew. Let's see. A little bit more here, and let's put a little bit in the back. Okay, let me turn this because I want to see what you're seeing. Kind of cool. Let's not forget this beautiful Lisianthus, though. It is so pretty. And the way it hangs, it just looks like it's growing, and just the blossoms are perfect for this look. And it does have some height. That's kind of what we're looking for. Now on this, we can go out a little bit. It's not that we can't. We're not going everything straight up. So let's add a couple pieces here. And then let's put a couple pieces down in. So like a pretty blossom. I just want to kind of tuck down in. I don't want to cover up the green, but there we go. I just want it to look very natural. Okay, and I've got one little spot here. So I'm just going to cut some delphinium, add it down in here, and that'll definitely bring the blue down anyway. And let me see on this side. We'll do the same on this side. All right. I'm going to switch it over to this camera because that way I can kind of see what I'm doing here. But I have some pine cones that I just want to tuck down in, because like I said, when somebody comes, looks at this arrangement, not only are they going to see the arrangement, but they're going to be able to see down in and see the bark and the pine cones and the acorns. And then if you have extra, you know, set it on your table and put a pine cone and put a few acorns along with that to finish off that arrangement. But there you have it.